What's happening? It's Lee. I may be whispering as my family is sleeping upstairs. Any information we can get you on roofing, solar? We just got these new, my partner, Joey, if you've talked to him, calls them microscopic ladders. They're telescopic ladders, but they shrink down to these tiny sizes. So it's funny, he calls them microscopic. Saying that it's for Ant-Man, but I mean, they are microscopic because they're small, but they're telescopic because they grow. So in any event, hablamos español if you speak Spanish. No problema, hablamos en su lengua. Shout outs to Juan, John, Anthony, Michael, Roy. I'm shouting now. Sorry, I just woke up my wife and my kid. Roy, James, Richard, Shantella, excuse me. We have some great info for you. We got to cut down all your trees, but if you don't mind that and us paying to cut down your trees, you got a great house with tons of sun once the trees are cut. If we don't want to cut down the trees, it's fine. I'm sure we can still, offset your electric bill quite a bit. What's up to Karen, Pilar, Max, Kelley, Gerard, Marie. We have over 2,500, depending on where you live, homeowners within your neighborhood that we've installed with. So happy to give you the exact number of where you are. Marie, Lisa, Jonathan, Meghan. I hope you're having a fantastic start to your weekend. And we don't want to be pests. We just want to get you the info, leave it up to you. And if you sent us your bill already, because it's all based on your kilowatt usage, and we have not already given you the info, first of all, I accept full responsibility for that. However, texting, calling, will get you that info in the shortest period of time possible. And I hope this video finds you well, and thank you so much for your time. And again, nobody likes a pushy salesperson. That is not our intention or mean or anything we text, email, call you with is not in the effort to get you to go solar. It's really just to get you the info. If you want to do it, that's great. We can assist you. If you don't want to do it, we can't even help you anyway. So, alrighty. Yeah. Happy Friday. I'm shooting this on Friday night. However, you are seeing this on Saturday, so happy Saturday. And anything we can do for you whatsoever, even if it's not solar or roof related, we would love to support you in any way. I don't know. Maybe you need an accountant. Maybe you need siding, insurance. I don't know. But we've been meeting a lot of people the last 12 months, and love to connect you with other people and connect with you and find out what had you interested in going solar in the first place. The most common answer is to save money, right? Some people want to, everyone wants to do their part with the environment. The people that tell us that is only 5% of people. However, I'm sure that's there. The money definitely has to make sense, right? The environment's great and all, but if the money doesn't make sense, then what's the point? It increases property values. So certain people want to, we had a guy just go solar in February of 2020. And then he sold his house in March of 2020. So he literally had solar for fewer than 30 days. But showing off a $0 electric bill, an $8 electric bill, even a $29 electric bill is certainly a selling point for the house. But yeah, I hope you're having a fantastic day, and thank you if you've watched the entire time. It's very generous of you to give me that time. And yeah, anything we can do for you, don't hesitate to call, text, email anytime. You may hear from our newer partners, Tunaz, Andre, Joey called you oftentimes the very first day that we received your information. And then Tunaz and I are making the phone calls together. Andre and I are making the calls together. So I trust you and your family are healthy and safe and all of this. And good night. Bye-bye.